Roast chicken dinner, let's get started. First, you're going to put some thyme and garlic inside the cavity of both chickens. Next, tie the legs together with food-safe twine. Once the legs are secure, coat the chicken with olive oil, brushing it all over. Then sprinkle your favorite seasonings over the top. Place the meat thermometer in the thickest part of the meat. Place in a 375 oven. Now I'm going to roast baby potatoes. These are going to need about an hour to cook, so time it according to the size of your bird. I'm sprinkling some fresh thyme on them and then coating them in olive oil, and then I'm going to use salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Once you have the seasonings on, go in with your hands and toss them around to coat them. Make sure they're all coated with the olive oil and seasonings, and then spread them out evenly in the pan. Put them in the oven. Now asparagus, it's going to take about 15 minutes to cook. First you're going to arrange them in the pan, and then we're going to coat them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and toss them to coat them all evenly. Put them in the oven with your chicken and potatoes. Once the chicken reaches a food-safe temperature, you can pull it out of the oven. Mine took about 3 hours total. And we had leftovers for the next few days. I hope you enjoy.